Hey everybody, so we're back to working on the Mustang Project Code Blue today, and got a lot of new parts, as you saw in the last video, to start putting in place. First, we've got to get that transition pan done, and in order for me to get the transition pan done, I've got to get the driver's side frame rail addressed. Now, I've taken a really close look at the frame rail and done a lot of measurements, compared it to the passenger side, compared it to some drawings from original frames, and I don't think that it's actually bent. I think it's just the driver's side has got a little kink in it, like it was just dented in on that one side. So I'm going to try and just straighten that dent out and then plate on the inside to give it a little bit of additional rigidity, and then we can move on and start getting that transition pan in place. Alright, it's coming right along. Got a few things mocked in place. Got the transition pan sitting in there, it's Cleco clamped in, and then got the left side, driver's side of the frame rail, and then the wheelhouse done. So it's all just clamped in for the moment, but we're going to get started on welding here in just a moment. So let's get going. we've got the transition pan welded in. As you can see, transition pan's all welded in, seam sealed, ready to go. I went ahead and just squirted some black paint on there just to keep it from rusting. When I'm finally done, I'll go ahead and epoxy prime it, and then we'll undercoat the entire thing just to make it one nice solid piece. Moving around to the back, you can see I've started to mock up the rest of the trunk floor. On the next video, we'll go ahead and get the driver's side frame rail straightened out. I'll show you how I did that. And then we'll start welding in the rest of the trunk floor, the wheelhouse, and then the quarter panel. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.